Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. So I just inserted this over here, the Arduino CD that we got from the package, from the kit itself. So was trying to run all of this. As you can see, when I've opened, I selected the language English, then I'm inside the CD-ROM. It says code, libraries, and the PDF files. So it's for Linux also. You can install this software in Linux. So I followed the step in the upcoming coming video part. You will see that I followed everything. Here I open up this code library code, which has all the included components coding which you would need required. So it comes completely with it, and it's really cool because you can just insert the code in it and run it with all the sensors and everything. And you have a huge variety of library for all of these parts components that are required. You can see over here. I know it's not much clear, but this is how I just wanted to demonstrate because I was in a work a busy moment, but I wanted to show you. So once you buy the package, you just insert the CD-ROM and connect your device also. After the install, you have run this CD DVD ROM and checked every file what it includes. Next, okay, so here's this about it, and next moving on to installation. Okay, here is the PDF file which has the guide. Once I open the link from the file CD-ROM, this has complete guide of how to install, download, install, and run the program, and the software where you're going to do the coding, where you're going to run, execute, and of course you're going to upload it on your device. Okay, here I did connect with my Arduino, the computer with the USB cable, with my laptop. Over there, just ignore, there was a class going on for my Roblox Studio student. So he was busy making the project, so I thought of giving some time to my Arduino. So this is the thing that I was following the steps, and I joined their community also. It has a lot of variety of, projects people are doing, experimenting. So it's pretty cool. So here the installation begins, and there you go. So set up it. All the instructions are already mentioned on the website and in the PDF file. So follow that, and here I've downloaded and installed and open up this okay, and it's not installed yet. It is installing here at the moment. This software, you can see the software is open. This is where you are going to do the coding and everything, this whole thing, editor, this whole, okay, it's asking for different things. So again and again, I'm just giving the access and allowing it to install. So let's wait. And what you haven't guys told me anything in the chat. Oh, sorry, not in the chat. I meant in the comment section. Which project do you want me to start with? Still doing the installation. After the installation has been done, okay, just click yes. All right, give access, and I think installation. Would you like to install this device? Complete. Of course, that's what I am. Okay, it's still asking for some installation. Just simply click on install. Let's go. Here, what's going on? Keeps on asking things. Just keep on saying yes. Proceed as it is. Next, and try to save it, and okay, it's still, now it says installed. You can read over here. It installed all the packages, all the library, everything that we needed for the Arduino. So that's it. That's about it. And yeah, oops, Florida. And here it is connected to green light as in connection. It worked perfectly fine, and I want to do a project I want to start soon. So suggest me if you have any brilliant idea. I'll be happy to know, and we can work on. I can work on it and share the video for you guys. Okay. You see, it's how sensitive these are parts. So we'll do a deep study of this also. Take care till next video.